Best fall outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Gray jacket with black jeans and black sneakers. Outfit number 2. White hoodie with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 3. Black jacket with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 4. White jacket with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 5. Off-white jacket with off-white pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 6. Black jacket with black pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 7. Ash jacket with gray pant and gray sneakers. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.